Well, the temperatures are soaring out there today. A lot of 90s on the map. Still tracking some storms with quite a bit of lightning over East Alabama. Let's go ahead and jump over here to Fox 6 Live Viper HD, and you see right there around the Anniston area, just south of Anniston towards Mount Cheaha, quite a bit of lightning. Temperatures there a bit cooler, but notice just off to the west, we're showing 94 degrees in Childersburg. A lot of 90s on the map out there today. Look at the incredible lightning with this storm here. It's just across the interstate. If you're traveling basically from near the Lincoln exit over towards East Aboga, expect conditions to go downhill. Quite a bit of rain, lots of lightning, and these storms are tracking from northwest to southeast. So any of this development that you see up here to the north looks like out around Alexandria, picking up some of that heavier rain, and Ohatchee, this will all be tracking there towards the southeast. And this is all going to stay, it looks mainly to be east of Birmingham, Coleman, and Alabaster. We're going to stay dry in West Alabama. You can really tell that the high pressure ridge we've been talking about starting to influence the weather. Look at the heat index. Feels like 102 in Fayette right now, 102 in Demopolis, and it's going to feel even hotter for tomorrow and into the day on Wednesday. So we got some real hot weather in the forecast. You know, something that we're also keeping a close eye on from the National Hurricane Center, a very high probability that we could have a tropical depression forming right here, and the hurricane hunters are investigating this thing. They're actually inside this disturbance right now. There's an 80% chance, just checking the National Hurricane Center, their latest feed, 80% chance that this could become a depression. So let's talk about this for a minute. The track shows this thing stalling. Now keep in mind, we got high pressure back in here across the Gulf of Mexico, and that's what's kind of driving this thing southward for the moment. But there will be, later in the week, looks like a system approaching us from the north, a front, which may pick this system up. And as that happens, as the front drops in, we'll see more of a stall and then perhaps a turn towards the north. And that's what we're seeing right now. So that happens later on, if this even develops into a tropical depression. But there's a good chance that that's going to happen. And we may see some tropical storm watches posted later today for portions of Central Florida and the Florida coastline all the way up to the Northeast Florida coastline. So I'll have updates on my Facebook page, Wes Wyatt Fox 6. You can follow me on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather, and updates on the news beginning at 5 o'clock. Join us on Fox 6.